Hey, what's up, guys? Today I kind of wanted to talk about something that I always felt strongly about and it's always been on my mind, and that's school. School and college is probably the biggest scam to human history to date, and that's on everything. Now, let me clarify. If you're in school and you're working towards a specific goal or career or something you find your passion or purpose in, then keep doing you. I'll always have nothing but respect for someone who's pursuing their passion or purpose. But honestly, the school system is so flawed that it kind of blows my mind that I went through 16 to 17 years of this. I'm currently in my last year of college, and I can honestly say that 85 to 90% of what I've learned throughout my 17 years I've been in school is honestly just complete useless bullshit. School is just programming for everyone to become robots and slaves to society. I mean, just think about it. You're teaching the same exact information to millions of different kids and students that learn and think differently. There's no way that can work out when there's so many different students with different strengths and weaknesses and different goals and aspirations in life. You're forced to wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning 5 days a week. You sit in nice neat rows and you don't speak unless you're spoken to, and for 8 hours a day you're being told how and what to think. And whether or not a kid is going to be successful or not is dictated by this bullshit letter grade system. That means absolutely nothing. And the reason it means nothing is because you're being tested on a bunch of bullshit that doesn't matter. Take history, for example. That shit doesn't matter, straight up. I mean, everyone's gonna tell you, oh, it's so that you don't repeat the same mistakes of the past. Okay, then just say that. Why on earth are you testing kids on stuff like who was the wife of the 32nd president? And then label the kid who doesn't give a shit about history class a failure because he didn't give a shit about the history class in 7th grade and got a C. It's honestly pretty ironic that school is called the education system, when we all know damn well that school is more about this useless indicator for nothing letter grade system than it is about actual learning or education. Oh, and let me get this straight. College is indefinitely the biggest scam in human history to date. Did you know that the average debt for medical students graduating was $200,000 in 2018? And this is on top of many years of schooling and residency and all that stuff. Imagine putting students who actually want to do good for the world and actually want to help save lives in $200,000 of debt. Like, if you look at that fact inherently, there is indefinitely a deeper issue. College is a learning institution, alright? If learning institution meant a money-greeting business that cared nothing about making money, anyone who's ever been to college or been through college knows exactly how much they try to put a dollar sign next to literally everything. I mean, you're forced to buy books that sometimes are written by the professors themselves so that you're forced to put more money in their pockets. You're even forced to buy Scantrons and books so that you can take the exams. Imagine that, you're paying to take the exam. And it's no secret how the price of college has exponentially multiplied throughout the years and is continuing to grow. And this is because the demand for college is getting higher and higher. Why? Because at birth, we're told that the only route in life you're supposed to take is to go to school, go to college, get a degree, and get a job. Imagine paying thousands of dollars every year in order to learn a bunch of useless shit, 80% of which is useless, I might add, and to be stressed out and depressed on many nights in order to get a useless piece of shit degree that, you're really getting to please your mom or dad. Get a job in the future in which 9 times out of 10, and this actually applies to all jobs, you're gonna have to learn from the ground up anyways. And if you're lucky, have maybe 10 to 15% of what you quote-unquote learned transfer over to your career. I mean, look, I get it. I understand that everything is what you take out of it. And for some students, school is a major contributor to them socially, mentally, and emotionally. There is something about striving towards a goal with, all your friends close by that really helps you grow as a person. And I get that, but students are the ones who have to take those experiences from school and grow, not the other way around. I guess what I'm saying is that the school system is incredibly flawed and it shouldn't dictate the lives of students as much as it does because of how flawed it is. It stifles creativity, innovation, and self-growth. It's a system in where students that aren't robots and they don't take everything that's fed to them, students that don't fit in this robotic system and they can think more independently. They lose faith in themselves and they're depressed and they're labeled failures because they don't fit in this flawed system. That's the problem I'm trying to get at, and that's the problem I have with school and the school system. Like the great Albert Einstein once said, if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will spend the rest of its life thinking it's stupid. And with that said, make sure you guys stay true, and I'll talk to you real soon.